When we think of boot camp, push-ups and military commands come to mind, but not this boot camp at UCSF Fresno. Resident boot camp was held to train the newest residents who are starting their training at UCSF Fresno. Our cameras were there as they went through hands-on clinical procedures to make them the best doctors around.
So if you don't have access, right? You can't get peripheral access, their vascular path.
These new physicians were put to the test at UCSF Fresno's resident boot camp.
Good. So first things first, before you want to do any procedure, you want to make sure that the patient is okay with it.
They just graduated from medical school and now they're ready to begin their residency.
Some of the things that they're going to be doing today are learning new skills, sometimes procedures that are going to be helping them as they, develop into budding new doctors.
This is the 6th year UCSF Fresno has organized this event for their residents. It only happens once a year.
So here at UCSF Fresno, we have 100 new doctors today at boot camp, and we have 9 residency programs represented, all the way from pediatrics to internal medicine, surgery, orthopedic surgery.
Residents like Monique Atwell got the chance to practice patient care skills under the direction of experienced faculty and resident physicians at UCSF Fresno.
The boot camp has been great so far, and what's really nice is a lot of people actually are from the Central Valley, so I'm being able to connect with them, learn about them, and everyone's really excited. Everyone's in the same boat, so it's really nice.
They were taught suturing skills, oxygen delivery, central line placement, airway management, and cardiac life support. Residents also trained in communication scenarios with physicians, nurses, and mock patients.
Lined up with the numbers on the syringe.
Though Monique plans to practice psychiatry, working with other physicians is key to creating a well-rounded doctor.
It's an interdepartmental knowledge sharing. So they're making sure that they're in different stations and all the different learners are also mixed together. So you're not just a pediatrician learning pediatrics, you're a pediatrician with emergency medicine docs and internal medicine docs, and every group is mixed and you're all sharing knowledge.
At UCSF Fresno, multidisciplinary training is highly emphasized. Dr. Serena Young explains how that translates to better patient care.
It's critical. I will say that this is an opportunity for them to also see what it's like to train and actually work in a region such as the Central Valley, where there is a shortage of physicians, but the reality is we lean on each other and we can leverage each other's strengths from our disciplines and our work.
When your physician group is a team, then that really improves patient outcomes. So this is really part of that team building to really get the physicians to know each other and provide the highest quality patient care.
Monique was born and raised in Selma. She says she's thrilled to return to the Central Valley to serve her community.
So it's really nice being back here. I'm born and raised here, went to school here, so it's nice being home. My family is all here. I get to spend time with them. It's easy to relate to my patients, talk to them about, high school, Fresno State Bulldog games, different things that are local here, which is really nice.
The Central Valley continues to be impacted by a physician shortage, which is what drove Monique to want to come back and be a doctor here.
When I talk to my patients, just being able to say, oh, I'm from here, I understand the farming community, I understand the work hours, the heat, the things that you've gone through, the struggles that you've gone through here, the patients tend to open up more, they smile, they feel like you understand them more, they open up, they're more willing to talk to you, and I think that's a huge thing.
Though many of the residents came from other parts of the state and country, the goal is not only to prepare them for what's to come in the Central Valley, but like Monique, the hope is many of them stay to serve this community. The Clinical Skills Boot Camp is funded by the Leon S. Peters Foundation.